Hello friends, and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan.
Tell me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading.
Hello and welcome. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Katrina. I'm an Australian mum. We are a family of 4 here, and on my channel I share weekly grocery hauls every single week. I share my meal plan and my grocery haul. We try to keep within budget. I've been saying that lately, but actually, to be honest, our budget has kind of gone out the window lately because we have been in lockdown for so long and just not eating takeout a lot and stuff like that. It's just that we've been spending a lot more on groceries. But now that lockdown has come to an end, finally we have 0 cases here in Victoria, which is amazing and just such a relief, although there's a storm outside at the moment, so there's not much we can do, but it is such a relief to have a little bit of that freedom back, and we are able to get takeaway again for once. Well, you could always get takeaway, but the stress was always there for me that if we got takeaway and someone was, possibly had COVID at that takeaway place and we could get it because there were so many cases, it just made me nervous. But now knowing that there's been 0 cases for I think 12 days now is just fantastic, and it gives me peace of mind to be able to get takeaway again. So our grocery bills will probably drop down again soon, but for now this grocery haul behind me for 1 week, some things will last longer than the week, but this grocery haul costs just over $250. So I'm going to show you our meal plan and then we're going to get straight into it. I hope you stick around. I hope you click that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up because I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the dinners just because it's a lot easier and you can sort of pause and read the breakfast and lunches if you were interested in those yourself. But for dinner on Monday night, we are going to be making chorizo pasta bake. I have a video for that recipe. I will leave a link down below if you're interested in that one. It is one of our favorites in this family. And then on Tuesday, we are having curried chicken and veg with rice. And on Wednesday, we are having ravioli bolognese. We have that every week. On Thursday, we are having chicken fingers with broccoli and Alfredo pasta snack. On Friday, we are having pizza and garlic bread. On Saturday, we are going to be having quiche and salad. And on Sunday, we are going to be having takeaway for the first time in a very long time. It's my dad's birthday that Monday, so we are going to visit him, which will be amazing because we have not seen him in months. We were actually blocked off from there was what they called a ring of steel, where they were blocking off people from visiting from our area of Victoria to where my family live in Victoria, and it was just really difficult and we couldn't see each other for such a long time. And I'm just really excited that it's finally opened up just in time for his birthday. So we will be having takeaway that night anyway. I'm not really fussed about what we have. I'm just really excited to be spending the day with him. So now we're going to get into the grocery haul and I will let you know what we grabbed this week. Okay, so first of all, I have grabbed these yogurts. They were discounted, so I like to stock up on those while they are cheaper. Otherwise, they cost an absolute fortune to grab them by the pouch like this, but my toddler will only eat them this way, and, they're healthier than most other yogurts, so I'm happy to get them, but I definitely love it when they are on special because it saves a ton of money. Then I've just grabbed myself a treat. I grabbed this caramel twirl bar. They are so good. And then I grabbed my partner this mint cookie fudge Kit Kat. He loves those as well. And then a couple non-food items. I got this Dynamo Professional odor eliminating technology. I like to use that on my towels when I wash them. It just gets rid of that musky sort of smell on them. And then I've grabbed this deodorant for my partner. Then I also grabbed this Fairy Easy Spray for dishes. I have never used this before. If you have used this before, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, but I'm really excited about it. It says that you just spray it on greasy pots and things like that, and it's meant to work just like a dishwasher. It's meant to just completely melt it away. There's so many things on the market that say it does that, so I'm not fully confident in this working, but I'm excited because it's something new that I haven't tried, and I really hope it works and saves that extra scrubbing time. If it does, I'll be sure to let you know. Hopefully I use it before I get this video edited and uploaded so I can edit this and let you know on the screen here what I thought of it, but I'm really excited about that one. I grabbed my partner this milk. He likes the spider flavor, that milk and fizzy drink or whatever it is. I'm not really a fan, but I got this raspberry spider. I think it's new, so he thought that looks good, so I grabbed that for him. And then I grabbed this almond milk iced coffee. It is getting really hot here in Victoria, so I thought I would start switching over to the colder coffees, and I wanted to try it with almond milk and just see what it tastes like. I'm not sure if I'll like it, but I just grabbed one just to see how I go, because if I do like it, I would love to use almond milk instead of regular milk because it's just so much less calories. Then I grabbed this iced coffee syrup. If I do like the almond milk one, I'll just go ahead and buy some almond milks and mix that up with this and some ice, and this is actually really nice. I know that I've had that before, and yeah, I'm just hoping that I like the almond milk to mix with that. It'll be much healthier, that's for sure. And then I've gone ahead and grabbed some pineapple slices. I also grabbed 2 boxes of these vanilla lattes. Hopefully still there will be some cold mornings that I'll be able to have those on. And then I grabbed some of this maple syrup. We'd run out of that and we had that on pancakes on the weekends. I grabbed some jalapenos. We'd run out of them too, and I love having those for like snacks during the week, just on like a cracker with some cheese. We ran out of Vegemite. We seem to be running out of everything at the moment, so it's just like a big stock up haul basically. And then we also ran out of a lot of the spices. A couple of these we still have half a jar of, but I wanted to stock up while I was grabbing a couple anyway, just because I know I use these spices all the time, most of them anyway. Garlic powder is a definite must. I always use that. Parsley flakes is a new one. I normally buy that out of the fridge section, but I thought I would try this one for like the quiche and things like that. Cinnamon sugar I haven't gotten before, but I want to try out making my own donuts, and I thought that would go well on them. I love the cinnamon donuts more than the iced donuts, so I would love to try that one on and see how it goes. Moroccan spice, that's something I haven't cooked with before, but I've brought Moroccan sort of flavored burgers or whatever it is, and I'm assuming they use this in it, and I love the flavor of it, so I wanted to try that out with some meatballs or something that I'm going to make, or anything that I make with beef. I just want to try that in it and see how it goes. Then I've also grabbed this roast chicken. I normally use my all-purpose seasoning on my chicken in the oven, but I wanted to try this one out and see if it sort of replicates the one that you can buy at Woolworths that's already cooked and made up for you, and if it does, then that's going to be a win. I'm going to be really excited about that because I love the flavor of the skin on those chickens. And then cumin, we ran out of that, and I definitely need to stock up on that. I use that every time I cook with ground beef. Onion powder and paprika. I didn't know I grabbed this big one, but it doesn't matter because it will be used. I put this in all my soups, anytime I cook red meat, I use it as well. And it's just a great spice to put in almost anything. And then I have grabbed some oats. I'm going to be doing a lot of baking over the Christmas period, so I've grabbed oats, a couple tins of condensed milk and some self-raising flour for that, as well as eggs, and the other eggs will be for the quiche that we're having this week for dinner. But I just want to start stocking up on a few of the baking ingredients that I'm going to be needing. I'm hoping to get a few videos out for you guys on some delicious Christmas recipes that I have in mind for you all, so that will be part of that, and I need a lot more. But I still have a lot of chocolate chips, white and milk chocolate chips left over from my Halloween video that I made. I grabbed some of these chicken breast fingers for dinner this week. Then I grabbed some fruit. I've got a couple punnets of strawberries. I don't know whether I'm going to give them to the kids to eat or if I'm actually going to make up some strawberry icy poles because of the hot weather. My son loves those with that and just a little bit of maple syrup and some ice, and then in the freezer, and he just loves those. So it's another healthy treat for them if you're looking for a treat for your kids. And then I've grabbed 2 punnets of apples and bananas. I can't remember if I said that, but I grabbed those 2. Then I've gone ahead and grabbed some dried fruits. I got some craisins. I like putting those in my oatmeal cookies. I got some Australian pitted prunes. I haven't had those before, but I'm just trying to get into some of the dried fruits. And then I have got some apricots here. I love those ones. And then I also went ahead and grabbed some nut mixes. Now, I have been trying to up my levels of magnesium because I get the worst migraines, and I'm just trying to find natural ways to sort of help prevent them, and magnesium is one of the things that is highly recommended. And I think like 100 grams of cashews was already almost double what is in a magnesium tablet. So I just thought I would much rather eat the nutrition than take a tablet form that I don't really know what's in it and where it's come from. So I've gone ahead and grabbed these nut mixes, and I'm just going to make up my own little bags of nuts to eat through the day to try to up those levels of magnesium, and hopefully it will prevent my migraines. But I've just gone ahead and grabbed some Brazil nuts. They're meant to be the highest in magnesium. I haven't had them before, but I mean, I like most of them, so I'm not really too stressed about it. And plus, I'd prefer to eat them then, even if I don't really like them, than to take a tablet anyway, because I'm not too good at swallowing tablets. Pumpkin kernels, they're another high one in magnesium, and cashews, as I said. Then I've just grabbed some chia seeds just for myself anyway, and to put in some cookie recipes that I'm making. Then I've also grabbed these for my toddler, these Frisp Banana Crisps. Now, we tried the strawberry ones, I think a week or two back, and my kids loved them. Sorry about that banging in the background. My kids are in the bath, my partner's with them, but I have no idea what they're banging, but they sound like they're having fun, so it's fine. A couple breakfast items. I've grabbed 2 boxes of these Belvita Mini chocolate biscuits. My toddler loves those, and I love them with some coffee in the mornings. I grabbed these Vita Brits for my partner. They were on special, and he likes to have those for breakfast sometimes. I grabbed some milk, some bread. I grabbed 3 of these butters because they were on special, and butter can actually go in the freezer as well if you didn't know that, so that comes in handy sometimes. I grabbed a block of cheese just to grate up, some mozzarella cheese for the chorizo pasta bakes that we're having this week. It is my dog's birthday this week, so we are also treating him to a couple of the treats that he likes. We're getting some Dentastix because his breath stinks, so that's not really a birthday present, but that is just to help us out. And then we also got him these schmackos as well because he loves those. My toddler's really excited to give those to him on his birthday. We're going to sing happy birthday and make a big deal out of it. And then I have gone ahead and grabbed this chicken curry powder stuff to put in with the chicken curry that we're having this week for dinner, and that is the chicken to go with it. I've grabbed some chorizos, which are for the chorizo pasta bake. I grabbed myself a couple Caesar salads while the kids have sandwiches through the week. I just like to have something a little bit healthier, and I was running out of ideas, so I just thought I'll be a bit lazy this week and buy a couple pre-made salads just to make it easy for me. Normally by the time I've fed the kids and done the dishes and all that stuff anyway, I can't be bothered making anything, so this just makes it really simple for me. Now I think, also I grabbed these baby foods. Sorry, I thought that was it, but I forgot these. I grabbed these baby foods for my toddler. They are working out really well, and I feel so much better giving her these than giving her pizza when we have pizza night on the Friday night and things like that. So it is just a healthier alternative. We got some sweet potato, lamb and couscous. I got 2 of those because she really likes those ones. I got a mango chicken and coconut rice and a chicken bolognese. Now, so that is it for our grocery haul this week. I'm going to leave the price on the screen here, the exact price. I'm not sure what it is right now, but I will leave it up there for anyone interested. Again, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Just keep on fading.